beautiful people, welcome to LAZADA Tech, where we do tech in your life in style. Today's video features the Huawei Matepad 10.4 and accessories for this versatile machine.
Now, for those of you who want a bigger tablet, there's also the Huawei Matepad 11.
But since you guys know me and know that I like smaller, more compact but functionable things, we're checking out the smaller 10.4-inch version today. In today's video, we're unboxing the Huawei M Pencil 2nd generation and the Huawei keyboard. And then we're trying them out in situations we'd normally use all this tech at. Working remotely, whether that means at home or at a coffee shop, video calls, or just watching stuff on your tablet and chilling. Before we begin though, a quick shout out to Huawei for making this video possible. And as you guys already know, that doesn't take away from what you'll be seeing in this video. In every scenario that we're trying out with this tech, I'll be showing you how they did in this video. Right, let's get to the unboxing. And the Huawei Matepad. This is the 10.4-inch version, but there's also an 11-inch Huawei Matepad. And also another reminder, this thing runs on Huawei App Gallery. Ooh, sound by Harman Kardon. So we have the matte gray with 128 gig storage and 4 gig of RAM. SIM tool. USB-C charging cord. We also have a power brick, and that's all. Camera module up here, volume rocker, speakers, USB-C port. On the other side, that's a SIM tray. We have a slot for a SIM card and a slot for an SD card. And on the other side, more speakers and a power button. The Matepad 10.4, I'd say, has the more handy size. It fits into tinier purses easily, which is great if you're like me who wants to bring all the tech but don't like carrying big bags around. This thing just feels like you're holding a notebook. And speaking of notebooks, there's also the Huawei M Pencil 2nd generation that goes with the Matepad. This pen allows you to write across all system apps with Huawei FreeScript, take snippets, and annotate everything on the tablet. We're all gonna try that out more later. Meantime, pairing and setup is a breeze. And then there's also the Huawei Smart Keyboard. This connects to your tablet via Bluetooth and transforms the tablet experience. For people like me who can't seem to write scripts when I'm not typing on a QWERTY keyboard, this is a very useful accessory. This keyboard is thin enough to be compact when folded into a folio, but still tactile enough to be an enjoyable typing experience. Up front, that's a 2K full view display with a TÜV Rheinland low blue light and flicker-free certification, which means it's a more comfortable experience for your eyes, and a quad speaker sound system tuned by Harman Kardon. It looks and sounds like this. This thing is powered by a 7,230 mAh battery with 22.5 watt charging, which equals to 2.5 hours to fully charge. Now, let's see what the Matepad can do by putting it through a work from home test. Okay, wait, let's make it a little bit more interesting. Let's make it a work from cafe test. That means I'll be out and about and I'll only have this to work on. Let's see how it fares.
First up, I wanted to try this thing out with video calls. There are 3 mics in this with noise reduction, and that's an 8 megapixel selfie camera up front, and you can also use a 13 megapixel rear camera.
And so right now I'm on a Zoom call using the Huawei Matepad, and this is what it looks and sounds like.
Again, despite this being a tablet with accessories, this Matepad is instantly transformed into your most compact workstation. The smart keyboard allows me to type my scripts very comfortably, and I'm loving the multi-window feature on landscape mode. It allows for 3 open apps at the same time, so you can have 2 apps on split screen and a third floating app that you can resize and position anywhere on the screen. Honestly, so convenient for someone like me who likes to multitask when they're writing their scripts or researching, or just it's part of my workflow to have multiple open windows at the same time. And this has always been my issue working with tablets, but not anymore, I guess. And as much as I love typing my scripts, I really enjoy having the M Pencil because I need to write stuff down. Basic brainstorming for me and writing my everyday to-do has to be handwritten because it just helps with my process. Now, on the Matepad, you not only have your Notes app to write on, Huawei FreeScript allows handwriting all across system apps, which means, for example, you can just write on the browser what you're looking for and voila, it'll work. Pro tip, a double tap on the M Pencil gives you a quick menu, and from here you can take snippets. Basically anything on your screen you can save, annotate, and ready to send to whoever you want to send these screenshots to. I also tried some editing, and for quick on-the-go social video editing, the Matepad will do. When all your work is done, your whole setup folds up and you are ready to move on to the next spot where you can be productive at.
This thing is a Huawei Matepad after all, so it runs on Harmony OS too. That also means you get apps from the Huawei app gallery.
Here you can find your apps. For example, you can download JNotes, TouchNotes, or Flexil. It will go well with your Huawei M Pencil. You have Filmora Go, which is what I was editing the short videos earlier, and then there's WPS Office, which is also a good tool for annotating.
Let's wrap this video up by talking about Huawei Super Device, which isn't necessarily one specific device, but the whole Huawei ecosystem. I've shown you examples of this in previous videos, but it basically means that if you're on Huawei devices, they will work together.
For example, aside from the Huawei Matepad, I also am on the Huawei P50 Pocket, which is a beautiful foldable, but that's not the point of the video, I digress. Basically, the phone connects to the Matepad under Super Device. And then you have cool features like multi-screen collaboration, which basically means that whatever's on your phone, you can see on the tablet. As you can see here, you can also take photos on your phone, for example, and just drag and drop files. Just one quick way to show how these gadgets work together and work together so well.
It's definitely a versatile device. So many use cases, especially with accessories we tried out, like for example, with the Huawei Smart Keyboard, this PC-like device is definitely something you can work on while on the go. Personally, I'm impressed at how the Huawei ecosystem has grown and built on each device to work better together. That's it for today. Let me know what your questions are. Comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts are on the Huawei Matepad 10.4, the Huawei M Pencil 2nd generation, and the Huawei Smart Keyboard. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's LAZADA _ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Until next time!